If you are wondering, will your Xbox Series X console download games while turned off during sleep mode or rest mode, then the answer is yes, only when you enable it from your console settings. So, in this complete Xbox game installation guide, I'll not only show you how to download and install digital games or disc-based games on your Xbox X when the console is off, but I'll also show you how to download games remotely on your Xbox right from your smartphone. First, let's start with the simple one, how to install digital games. For that, you'll need to open Microsoft Store on your Xbox. You can open it from the top bar by selecting Store, or you can scroll down and select Browse this store. This will open Microsoft Store for Xbox, and from here you can search for your favorite games or browse all the different categories that's available. So just find the game that you want to play and hit Get or Install. Now it will be added to your installation queue, and you can view that by selecting View in Queue. And if you're installing multiple games, then you can choose which one to download first, pause or resume installation, or cancel it. You can also open the queue later by going to My Games and Apps, then go down to Manage, then Queue. In your case, if you have a physical game disc, then all you need to do is insert the disc into your console, and while inserting, make sure that the game art is facing the left side. Your console will detect the disc automatically, and it will be added to the installation queue. Now, if you want the downloads and install to resume even when the console is turned off, then you'll need to make sure that this feature is turned on. So, head to Settings. Then from the General tab, go to Power Options. And as you can see, there's two modes, either Shutdown or Sleep. And both of these modes supports automatic updates of games. But for this to work, you'll need to go to Customize Power Options and turn on Keep My Console Up to Date if you want to have your console's firmware updated, and Keep My Games and Apps Up to Date so that the download process keeps going on when your console is shut down or in sleep mode. Finally, let me show you how you can install games remotely using your smartphone. And for this one to work, you'll need to make sure that your console is set to sleep mode. And after that, just install the Xbox app on your iPhone or Android device. Connect your console, and then you can install games from your phone's Xbox app. If you want a more detailed guide, then make sure to watch our video on it. And these are all the ways how you can install games on your Xbox Series X console. If you found this helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, and happy gaming!